The Real Housewives of Orange County has concluded its season, and it is anticipated that the cameras will be raised once more in the near future. Still, the divorce proceedings of Jennifer Pedranti are ongoing. Her former spouse William Pedranti submitted a petition to modify the amount of support he provides to her. Additionally, he is being compelled to submit his earnings statements to court. This follows his accusation of harassment against the Real Housewives of Orange County. Franchise star William and Jennifer exchanged vows in 2002. The couple has 5 children together. Sadly, their marriage faltered and their divorce was formalized in July of this year. According to Jennifer, their separation is the result of persistent issues. William, as per In Touch Weekly, has submitted an additional court motion concerning his support payments to Jennifer. Particularly, he believes that the court should terminate the spousal support in consideration of her extravagant lifestyle and her engagement to Ryan Boyan. He emphasized the $1,750 she spends on dining out each month, stating that it appears to be an exorbitant amount. Additionally, he emphasized that she allocates about $33,000 per month for domestic supplies and foodstuffs. She indicates that she allocates $22,000 each month for clothing in his filing. This seems to be way too much. This is particularly noteworthy. William is required to pay $1,735 in spousal support and $46.74 in child support per month as per their June agreement. A single sum payment of $267,000 was also scheduled to be made to the Real Housewives of Orange County star in order to balance the division of their community assets. William has recently requested a reduction in child support to account for the fact that one of their children now resides with him. Jennifer has not responded to the most recent motion in response to his previous assertion that she was harassing him by visiting his residence. She did respond. Additionally, Jennifer has stated that she never received the flat sum payment and that her residence with Ryan should not affect their arrangement as he left her with no alternative housing. It is my conviction that terminating spousal support due to my cohabitation with Ryan is unjust. As she puts it, the sole reason I am cohabitating with Ryan is that William has left me with no other alternative. In their initial declaration, William is also accusing Jennifer of making untrue statements. He states that Jennifer was employed in marketing at the Irvine Company from T2 to 23, despite her assertion that she had not worked. She and I were married in September 2002. She also served as a yoga instructor at Summits Yoga in Rancho Santa Margarita in 2015, 2016, and 2017. In addition, we acquired an equity interest in the studio in 2017, and Jennifer served as a co-owner and assisted in the management of the studio until we sold our equity interest in 2019. Ultimately, we invested in and inaugurated De Rebel Yoga in the fall of 2020. Jennifer had previously served as its co-director before our divorce in 2021. He also alleges that Jennifer did not provide him with the support he needed during his time in law school. Despite her assertion in their declaration, William has incurred $6,350 in rent for his residence since March. As per his expenses, he additionally pays $684 in rent for one of the children and $720 in car payments for 2 of the children. Additionally, he maintains insurance coverage for his vehicle and the vehicles of his 2 children, in addition to covering a variety of expenses for them, which amount to $5,397. I refrained from appropriating all of the assets from the sale of the property for my own purposes. Consequently, the motion persists. I was employed to finance Jennifer and our children's extravagant lifestyle, which has encompassed total aggregate payments of over $125,000 for luxury vehicles and $300,000 for rent in luxury residences. Since the date of separation, he further stated, I could have disputed the extent to which Jennifer's portion of the sale proceeds was allocated exclusively for her benefit. However, in order to finalize the divorce and resolve all claims regarding the use of community and separate property, I have agreed to pay her half of the sale proceeds. As previously reported by In Touch Weekly, William was obligated to present comprehensive earnings records in court. The judge, it appears, stated that failure to appear at the time and location specified in this order may result in detention and punishment for contempt of court. Additionally, the court may issue an order mandating that you pay the reasonable attorney fees incurred by the judgment creditor in this proceeding. In addition to this, Jennifer defended her decision to visit William's residence and clarified that it was not considered harassment. Please also be advised that William has not responded to any of my numerous messages. She stated in court documents I would not be required to journey to his residence or attempt to engage in live communication with him if William were to communicate with me to communicate.